Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making a delicious Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I'm going to be putting on some mayonnaise on both sides of my bread because I love mayonnaise so much. The Philly cheesesteak sandwich recipe is already on my YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description box to how to make the meat, the Philly cheesesteak meat. So right now we're just gonna build the sandwich because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. All right, so got our mayonnaise on both sides of our bread. Now we're gonna be adding some meat, baby. All right, ooh, this is so good, it looks so good. Ooh, I can't wait to dig in. Okay, I'm gonna put my meat on there, slices. This is steak meat. You can use roast, chuck roast, any kind of steak you want to use. And then next I'm going to put my, this is in au jus sauce as well. This sauce right here is au jus sauce. You can dip it or you can put it directly on your sandwich, however you want to do it. Okay, we're building a sandwich now with the bell peppers, and I'm going to use some red onions. Not too many because it doesn't agree with my tummy. So I'm going to do that. Put a few red onions on there. Now I'm going to put a little bit more gravy on there because I love it sopping, sopping, sopping wet. Okay, so take some of this gravy, stir it up. Just going to stick it in there. Ooh, that looks so yummy. Okay, and there you have it. It's going to be sloppy, yummy mess, but it's going to be good. Ooh, ooh. That's a good looking sandwich right there, baby. Don't tell me it's not. It is. Yum, yum. I think I'm going to put some au jus on the side. Just eat it on the side. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit.